Alright guys, welcome to day 5. Yep, that's day 5. We're working on this old Beetle. It's taken apart. We're going to work on taking the tires off the rims. I know some of them have some dents, so we're going to fix those. Then we will sandblast them. But our buddy who has the sandblaster isn't here right now, so we might not do it tonight. But we have paint for them. We have tires for them, so once we get it all painted and nice, we can put tires on and mount it with new valve stems and get them on the car to make it roll a lot better. So that's the plan tonight. We'll see what else we get into, so stay tuned to this episode and continue to follow along with this 30-day Volkswagen Restoration Challenge. My mom's the bomb giveaway thingamabobber. So again, thanks for tuning in, and see what we get into today. Alright guys, this is the fun part, what we're going to do tonight. We have ordered tons of stuff. literally a mountain of boxes. So I don't even know what's in 100% all of them. I do, but I don't. So I'm going to open them all up, lay everything out, and then we will see what we have. And hopefully enough to make this car look better than it is. So we're going to open everything, then I'll like point it out down here where we want to set it all and show you what we got. Right. So here's all the good stuff we got in the mail so far. So we had the little air intake venti things on the outside. What are those things called? Visor clip holder thingamabobbers. These are tubing for the air box because it was gone. There's trunk and hood gaskets and seals and bumper seals. There's window seals. There's old Mercedes side mount crank up jack thingamabobber. We got the cone tips. A box of seat covers. So we'll have to figure out how to use those. And then there's the new visors in ivory. A used air box. Hopefully it works. And a brand new gas tank. And then we got sheet metal for the front and the back. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to drill out rivets and install those suckers with some rivets and welding. So they may have been replaced before. We think they have been, but that's okay. So there's all the good stuff. We like new parts. And this is a good start from or what we need to get it together. On top of 4 tires back there for the car. So we're gonna put 4 tires on there. Yeah, I'm just killing it installing new tanks. Hot dang, look at her. gonna be nice. Alright guys, there you have it. There's some new parts, a new fuel tank in and connected, getting closer to getting it running again, and we got the rims and things ready to sandblast, clean up, and get the new tires on it, get them painted and get new tires on it. So thanks for tuning into this episode. More to come. We'll keep working on it and filming and trying to put out a video 6 days a week. Hopefully you've caught up with day 1 through 3. Actually this is 5, so 4. And we'll keep putting out the videos for you, show you the progress. Again, we have no idea what we're doing with this Volkswagen. We're learning as we go. So it's been a fun learning experience so far. And to see some of the simple and not so simple designs put into this thing. But thanks for tuning into this edition of Wide Open Throttle Garage. Till next time.